Hi and welcome to the Minecraft Family channel. Today it's me and the cat who's doing an unboxing, I think. He's not really pleased about me at the moment. He thinks that he needs to have some food or something, but his bowl is already been filled once and he is not a happy cat that he's not being allowed any more food. And I also have my dog here who wants to come in. So let's bring him in and let's get to the unboxing. No, you're not going to get anything. You're not going to get fed. No. So today I have this unboxing of this 3-panel with tulip and can't remember what they're called, but another flower. And it's a big one. It's a 180 times 60 centimeters. But I think, as far as I remember, I'm just going to peel this off the packaging because it gives such a glare. As far as I remember, it's only the flowers that you diamond paint. You don't diamond paint anything else. And you can also see that here. This is the area that you diamond paint, and this is the full picture. So let's try and get into it. They come in these cases and there's an instruction on the back, 6 steps on how to diamond paint. And down here you can see it can be hand washed and it can be ironed. And I have tried to iron it. I have never washed it and I don't think that I will. But, oh, I'm just going to take it out like this. But it can be ironed out. So this is one of the foldable ones, and it doesn't matter because you're able to iron it out. So in it here you have the canvas, which we're going to look at. You have a lot of drills. You have 2 boats, 2 pens, some wax and some baggies. That's the first time that I've seen baggies in this one. And then you have another bag and a carrying bag or a storage bag for it. So let's take that aside. And should we start with the canvas and just have a look at it? I just brought you out on our dinner table because it's so thick or long. So it looks really good. Let's see, and now the sun is coming, so let's see if we get a lot of glare from it or if it's okay. So here we've got the first one of the paintings, the tulips. And here we have got the other flower, which I don't remember the name of. And last but least, we have another tulip painting where the flowers are more yellow. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 colors on it. And the colors are the same, or the symbols are the same all the way through. This is A238T, A238T, and A238T. So they are the same all the way around, so you can use the same symbols and carry on diamond painting all the 3 panels. So that's really a nice thing about this. So let's just take away this so you are able to see the drills and find the drills. Here, and let's take you a bit closer so you can see them better. So there's not many colors in it, but I could see already that there were some ABs in it, and I think we've got how many? 3 ABs in it, and the rest of them are ordinary. So I'm just taking the ABs to a side and they are here. So we have these 3, 4 yellows here, different shades of yellow. So that's number 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 shades of cream white, 5, 6. 2 shades of orange, 7, 8. And then we have 4 shades of a red and 2 orange. There's another one here, that's 13 colors. And then we've got 4 different kind of greens. So now we're on 17, and then we have the 3 AB drills, which are gorgeous. So there's the green one here. You can see it catching the light. And then you've got the yellow ones, and not least the orange ones. So here we have the shades. So if we just lay them together, all the shades, like this. You get a really good idea of how the color schemes are compared with the canvas. I think this is going to look gorgeous when it's done. Really, really satisfied with this one, and I just counted them quick. I've never had any issues with missing colors in these ones. They are so good packaged. Yeah, really happy. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you please subscribe. I do a lot of unboxings, but I also do diamond paintings and cross stitching and all sorts of things. So thanks for watching and take care. See you in my next video, and happy diamond painting. Bye for now.